Everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factor here, back with another video. Y'all know what time it is. It's filming time. 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 Hey, it's filming time. Hey guys. Good morning. Good evening, wherever you're at. I just want to come on here. Y'all know it's Sunday. It's filming time. And I'm getting ready to go to church. But it is Mother's Day. It is Mother's Day where we love on our mothers and love on, just love on them. And unfortunately, I can't love on my mom today, but I can love on her in spirit. Yes, this day was coming, but I dreaded it, but it's here, and I am in my right mind, and I am happy, and because my kids came over Saturday just to spoil me with gifts and phone calls, and you know, my son, before Mother's Day, he sent me to get him and his girlfriend sent me to get a massage. You know, my husband showered me with gift. We went out to eat to our favorite place on Logan's. I got a little snip pics of it on. I'm putting a vlog for y'all guys. I'm getting my vlog together because y'all know I don't do too much, but when I do, I try to put some in. Okay. And plus, I just want to tell you I don't have anything new today, but I just want to talk about this Fenty here. Y'all, I love this powder. I love this foundation. This powder foundation, oh my God, I am so love. Not saying I'm taking away from my liquid foundation, you know, but this powder foundation is easy. I love this foundation because you don't have to, listen, I ain't got no words for it. It is good, y'all. And plus, you know, y'all can see in the video how I put on my concealer first. And I did, what else did I do? And I put on my liquid highlighter. And I supposed to put on my, my stick foundation, my stick concealer. It's not concealer, my stick, contour. You know, I used the black opal as a contour for me, and I didn't do it this time. So what I did, I took a powder, and used make my contour and stuff. So, and then I did my contour, my nose, and everything. But everything, but you start off with this stuff first. What I've learned, and then you go around it and you know blend it in, and you will see in the video, y'all. I don't know why I'm sitting here trying to explain. Girl, just y'all go check it out. I mean, y'all go check Fenty out. This is like sliced bread to me. But yeah, that's like, and then I got these right here. I think a lot of us probably saw this on Facebook, but I do have the name of it. I'll put it in the comment section below. Let me see. I got a picture of it. Let me see. It is called, is it Manus? You can see it right here. There's different kinds. So I'll put the link or whatever in the description box below if anybody want to try them. They are okay. They're okay. But I don't know why I'm just stuck on F blenders. You know how you got your preference, but yeah. But they do the job. So I like them. It took a good minute to get to me, okay? It took me a while, but everything that I use will be in the description box below. And I got, because I'm running a little late, because girl, I was just taking my time. But I know I had to get on here and get y'all, you know, get a video out to y'all guys. So, y'all know what time it is. Okay, I ain't gonna see anything. Y'all know I can't see. But what God will have me to talk about and where it looks like is the in Proverbs 31. And hey guys, right here I was saying mothers, it was Proverbs 31 woman. It was talking about how we supposed to act, how we supposed to be. So that's what I was saying in this part of the video. Okay? All right, on to the video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Not saying we are perfect. We make mistakes, but you know, okay, it's in Proverbs 31 and 28, and it says, her children arise and called her blessed, her husband also, and he praised her. And it said, many women do noble things, but you surpass them all. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Honor her for all that her hands have done, and let her work bring praise to at the city gate. And they was talking about a wife of a noble character, the Proverbs 31 woman. And it says here at the bottom, it says the book of Proverbs begins by stating the benefits of fearing the Lord, and ends with a picture of a woman who fulfills this commandment. Her qualities are mentioned throughout the book: hard work, fear of God, respect her spouse, foresight, encouragement, care for others, concern for the poor, and wisdom of handling money. These qualities, when coupled with the fear of God, leads to enjoyment, success, honor, and worth. Proverbs is Proverbs is practical for us today because it shows us how to be wise, make good decisions, and live according to God's ideas. And what I got from that is that our mothers, and I'm a mother, when we carry a child, we tend to protect them even in the womb. And when they are born and they go about their way, grow up and all that stuff, we still have this sense of protection. And we have a sense of protection. I have gained so many. That's why I always said that about the bloodline. I got children that's not in my bloodline, but I love them anyway. I love them. So as women and as mothers, we go beyond that. Our kids bring in friends and they end up being like just a part of you, and you end up loving them, and they end up calling you mama and all this stuff. And and that's what God wants us as women, to carry ourselves as such. No, it's a lot of women out here that don't, but there's no judging. We don't know what they went through. But what God is telling us as children, y'all, love on your mother while she's here. Love on them. I wish I had a day that I can just grab my mom and just say Happy Mother's Day like I normally do. We'll get dressed and go. Usually I'll be gone, going down to South Carolina to surprise my mom. But I can't do that no more. And here comes Father's Day's coming up. I can't do that no more. So y'all, what I'm gaining from this is that God made us as women so delicate, so strong, so wise. So just remember who you are in God. You're a great mother. You're a great friend. You're a great sister. You just hold on to God's word. That's all I got to say, y'all. Because there's really nothing too much to say about this. But just know who you are in God. Remember where you come from. And you're a great mother. That's what I get, y'all. And if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I'm learning just like everybody else. But this is what God put in my spirit today. Just know who you are in Him. He loves you. He made you. Okay? And happy Mother's Day. And I love y'all guys. And when there's an event, I got some content. And I see y'all what? In another video. Love you guys.
Beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl, gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face lastly, spray, spray, that's it. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm late. Girl, where you going? You forever late to something. Just mind your business. Just mind your business, okay? And ain't. Nah, but for real though, where you going? I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly. With that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been
Hey guys, right here you can see that I was having issues with my concealer. So in the next clip, you will see that I started over. So that's what happens, guys. So all right, on to the video.
bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Hey guys, right here I put on my milk hydro grip, and then I went in with a Fenty's translucent powder. The nutmeg, I tried that a different way, and then I went into color correct. You're gonna see that soon. So I just want to tell y'all guys what I was doing. All right, guys, on to the video.
Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up.
Hey guys, this liquid highlight is by the Beauty Crop. It's the Glow Milk, and the color, the name of it is Blind Date. Blind Date. Alright guys, on to the video.
Drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight.
Hey guys, do y'all see how smooth that foundation went on? When try this way. Try the way I did it. I learned online as well. But try this way without using, just use your cream your cream stuff first, and then use your powder next, and see how it comes out. It come out flawless. I love this method. All right, guys.
Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. Can't go, no, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go, one more day.
I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.